Today I'm going to show you how to make chalk effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your rectangle tool from the toolbar, and draw a rectangle. Click the fill color, and choose any color, then close properties. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object, and then decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then right-click and choose the distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Hit enter when you're finished. Set the opacity back to 100%. Double-click on this, and rename it your image. Let's place the image of the chalkboard by double-clicking on the thumbnail. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your image or design. Adjust the size and position. Hit enter once you're satisfied. Go back to File, and choose Save, then close the document. Go to Filter, Stylize, and find Edges. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to linear dodge. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. I'll decrease the opacity to 40%. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key, and then press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a black and white. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. Then close Properties window. Select the group layer. Click on the Mask button. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush, make sure foreground color is black. And paint with black to erase the extras. And that's it. Thanks for watching.